All right. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Let's just test something for a moment here. Hello? Hello? Hold on. I gotta turn off my music that I'm actually listening to. Test. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Now, I want to test something else here too, just before I get started. And it's gonna be this at the moment. Let's just turn up. And it's gonna be this at the moment. Let's just Now, I don't understand why it does that. I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm like literally just pause the music and it's just looping in a loophole. Huh. That's just something that I don't even understand why it does that. It seemed like it was looping the same thing over and over. That shouldn't have done that. Maybe I need to get my tech guy that does live streaming all the time. I should ask him how this piece of software works, because that didn't seem right at all. This piece of software works, because that didn't seem right at all. Now I just disabled the desktop audio so you stop hearing the echo of what I'm hearing right now. See, my mic works fine, but when I try to play music and then it when it picks up the music, for some reason, it echoes back and forth, back and forth. It's just very strange. There has to be a reason why it does that. Okay. I need to mess around with this another day of wondering why it does that. So what I wanted to talk about today before that annoying thing happened, well, I can actually do this now. Hold on. I know it works when I'm not echoing the same thing here. So let's do this here. Turn this down right in the middle here. And this should be good. Also, good evening, everyone. I just want to talk about like 10-15 minutes here about Tuesdays and Wednesdays action that we will see here. This is the 8 p.m. model run for the Her, which is called High Resolution Rapid Refresh. And by the time we get to 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, because tomorrow's going to be hot, humid, and I would say a mix of sun and clouds. A few showers and storms are going to be popping up, and it's going to be hitting western, and it looks like southern Massachusetts tomorrow. Some may become very severe, as you can see this line right here. Oh boy, some hail is possible. Gusty winds, damaging winds are possible out of this line that forms. It depends if the line forms more out here or over here. We're not sure, but we have to be on an eye out. Definitely late in the afternoon and evening. Then this pushes forward. Then another round of showers and storms come in Wednesday evening here, but this is more scattered around, as you can see here. I think mainly all the action is going to be to the north or west here on Wednesday, and that's pretty much what I can say right now. Pretty much hot, humid, highs in the upper 80s, low 90s, with the heat index in the mid 90s. So that's the next 2 days that I really want to talk about right now. I know it's a little late right now. It's almost 10 o'clock. Wow, time flies. Let's take a look at this model here, which is not developed. I think the NAM, which is the North American model, is always overdoing things all the time. Like, look at this. They fire up, and that's a big line now. Definitely a really big line. And that's to watch for Tuesday. And pretty much any time after like 3 o'clock, eyes to the sky, west to east. Then that line moves out. Then this little action out west here comes in, spots out another round of showers and storms. All depends on how the situation sets up, but definitely it's going to be pretty active on Tuesday and Wednesday late afternoon into the evening. I can tell you that right now. And then by Thursday and Friday it's going to be showers and storms as well. I can take a brief look at it right here. Oh, it's been a long day. I just wanted to get into the flow of doing this and get more comfortable with it. Okay, let's go on to Thursday, because we just talked about what Tuesday and Wednesday is supposed to be. This is what's going to happen on Thursday. We're going to have a low pressure system making its mark over to the New England, sparking some showers and storms again on Thursday. Say hello to this hurricane right here. I forget what its name is. I can tell in a moment. Elsa. That's her name. Yep. Definitely along the eastern coast, gotta be careful about that storm. And most of this energy is why we have showers and storms here in our region, because of this low pressure system right here, and these easterly winds are going to be crashing between this humid air to the south, so we're going to have clashing air masses here, and we're going to have some action on Thursday. I talked about that yesterday, and it is going to be some action on Thursday. I can almost guarantee you. As you can see, these easterly winds here are pushing all the action out to the west because this is more stable air coming off the ocean right here. So it pushes the showers and storms out to the west. That's pretty interesting. Then this low pressure system pushes through, chance of the showers pretty much all day Thursday. Oh, look how close the Europeans having this storm come to us. Wow. Oh. Yeah, I don't want to be in Nantucket if this is going to be the case here, because this is going to be wow, heavy rain. Let's see the wind core from the storm. At least Nantucket's not going to get the worst wind out of this because it's not in the right part of the storm. Gusts up the winds northwest at 40 miles per hour, gusts up to. This is going to be something to watch, folks, here. Definitely. And then this storm moves offshore. And then again on Saturday, there's still some showers and storms that are possible. It's just in that pattern right now. And then we're getting way too far to even believe anything right now. So it's going to be a very active week again. I talked about it yesterday, so I'm just talking about it again today. And not much really has changed in 24 hours since I really talked about it. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this week. It's actually Tuesday. I thought it was hump day tomorrow, but days blend in so quickly. Take care of yourself, guys. That's just a small stream. I know everything was working well. No one on chat is telling me anything's wrong. Yeah, no one's on chat is saying there's anything wrong, so I'm assuming everything's working well. Just hold on a second. I want to mute this music here just for a second and see how it sounds. Okay, so that worked really well there. The music in the background, I could hear myself very well. And I didn't mute this and it's gonna make a mess. Oh yeah, now it's muted. That's just looping around. I'm trying, it's hard to find copyright music, non-copyright music for this because, oh, look at this, non-stop, relaxing coffee house jazz, no copyright, YouTube, audio library. Let's jack it up. It's probably too loud and you can't even hear me now. Hold on. That's better. Alright, if no one's gonna be chatting on chat, I guess this is a good test again. Actually, it's not really a test. I kind of know what the hell I'm doing right now, but I do need to, you know, learn a little bit more about how to do this stuff. No, the European was a lot more aggressive with the thunderstorms than it's saying right now. But then again, that's 3 hours apart, so between like 2 and 5, they could fall apart. But I'm pretty sure, according to this model, 21Z right here, which is I'm trying to remember, 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, yeah, that's 5 o'clock. Oh, I see now. So all this activity at 5 o'clock should be out west. And the same time, it should be out here, but it looks like the European has it coming in earlier than what the NAM model is saying. And stop that. I keep hitting the scroll line. It keeps moving my, there we go. So something to watch for Tuesday late afternoon and Wednesday late afternoon and evening. Both days that we gotta watch. And also we gotta watch for Thursday and Friday because we have to deal with possibly Tropical Storm Else. Yeah, if I don't even know how to pronounce it. Yeah, that's gonna come up the coast, and this Nantucket over here is gonna have to watch out for that. Oh yeah, that's another thing I can look at. What does the icon say about that? No, I don't want that. Let's go Friday at 5. I see. This model's saying it's way offshore, while the Euro has it right next to Nantucket. And the GFS, I have no idea what it's doing. It has it way up here. Okay. That's totally different scenarios right now. Oh yeah. I don't think it's going to be a bother for most areas in Massachusetts. Just the Cape and the Islands and Nantucket got to be careful with the storm here. That's for sure. So I will call a stream right now. Thank you for Windy.com for a great site there. I love Windy.com and PivotalWeather.com. Both these sites are beautiful. They are not mine. They aren't my sites. I just love using them because they are basically easy to navigate and easy to get a quick glimpse of what the idea is going to be. It says currently I have one viewer here, but apparently they don't chat. Apparently. I wonder if that's just me that's just being the one viewer, but I'm probably sure it's not. Because technically I'm active in the chat anyway, so that's just probably me. There we go. Oh, it didn't drop many frames, it says right here. Oh, only 86 frames? It's not bad. And also my CPU usage is only 1.7%, so I don't know why it was lagging so bad the other day. I could actually stream at 1080p if I wanted to. But then that's up to my internet speed to be wanting to handle that. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong keys? Oh no, it's just not loaded. Come on. There we go. There's the action that I'm expecting to see, but this is at 2 o'clock. This is a lot earlier than I think it's supposed to be. This is a lot different than I thought. So anytime 2 o'clock onward, that means I can be able to get out of work tomorrow and be able to track these and go live as soon as I can, obviously. I have a whole day off Wednesday, so I can pop on live at any time, so that's great. I actually have Thursday off too, so I have a few days off to do some testing and playing around with things. So, I graduated so long ago, and I feel like I've been treading water with my meteorology stuff. So that's why I started this live stream to try something different here. You know what I really should do here? For something fun here? Hold on. Haha. Let's turn off the music here. Now, I've been playing this game here for quite a long time. It's really irritating and addicting at the same time. It tests your, planning skills, matching tiles and not getting stuck. Trust me, some of these numbers make me stuck and then I lose very easily. This is not the easiest game in the world to play. Oh, nice! Nice! That's a good move, but that was a waste of a move there because I didn't do anything with it. So I'm looking forward to see what tomorrow's action is going to do tomorrow. That's going to be very exciting to see what's going to happen. Last time we had bad weather, it was all in Oxford, Westford, Douglas, and places like that, but I didn't get to really experience the worst of it, which I shouldn't complain because at least Mother Nature respects me, even if she does or not. Mother Nature's just a figure of speech. Okay, see this 2 here? It's getting me stuck right here, and that's not good. My score is pretty good, though, by the way, for the first time tonight. Nice. Beautiful. Shove this over here. Now what? Ah, see, that's screwing me up really badly there. Now I can't access the 32s like I need to. Now I'm getting trapped here. Oh yeah. Now I lost. Fuck. Alright. That's definitely a very difficult game to play. I actually tend to this game is pretty good. Alright, that should be all for the night. Peace out all. I hope you guys are having a good night so far.